We are finally students of Welltech Engineering College, and the project is about the GPS technique for detecting the accident spot and traffic light controlling system. And the project is being done by Sharmaditya, Nandini, Kausalya, and Yusri. And here we are using 3 units: one is vehicle unit, ambulance unit, and traffic light controlling unit. In the system, the demo kit, we have connected the vehicle unit and ambulance unit to the same kit, and the controlling traffic light to the another kit. Here we have used 2 power supplies for passing the supply to the microcontroller. The controller what we have used is the controller 16F877A to the both the sides for the traffic light control system and also for the vehicle and ambulance light. For converting to AC to DC supply, we have used the filters and regulators for converting the smoothing of the DC value. And we have interfaced LCD supply, LCD display in both the sides for displaying the latitude and longitude value, and also in turns we have used sensors, temperature, respiratory, and also the heartbeat sensor for detecting the health monitoring system of the patient, and the values get detected and displayed in the LCD display. In the traffic light controlling unit, we are using 2 modes: normal mode and accident mode. And this is what the script we are using for normal and accident mode. In normal mode, we have 4 roads: R1, R2, R3, and R4. It shows the normal connection, normal changing of light from green, yellow, and red. And we have used yellow for showing a delay. And we have in ambulance mode, we are using a keypad, and this is for the keypad. You could see that we are using 4 routes: R1, R2, R3, and R4. And even we are using RF transmitter, and this is for the RF receiver and traffic light signal part. This is the yellow wire for transmitting the RF signal, and this is the part which receives the RF signal. And after receiving, the signal value gets changed, and this distance is about nearly for 10 meters. We could able to work it out. And let's see about the vehicle unit. In vehicle unit, we are going to see about the vehicle unit. In vehicle unit, we have the vibration sensor, controller, GSM receiver, and GSM modem. If the kinds of vibrations is sensed by the vibration sensor, it will produce the value of this value succeed the threshold value. The GPS receiver gets stopped. The location of the accident spot will be displayed in the LCD in the form of latitude and longitude. And this value is sent to the ambulance through the GSM modem, and the ambulance will reach into the accident spot. Next, we are going to see about the ambulance unit. Before seeing the ambulance unit, we can see how the function works. And if receiving the GPS value, let's see how it works, and let's see how the demo is. And see, you could able to see the value of longitude and the latitude in the LCD display. And see, if we give any kind of vibration to the vibration sensor, it detects the value, and the GPS location gets stopped when the owner is been traveling the bike. The GPS location gets stopped, and the value could able to see. This is what the value of longitude and latitude, and the message accident occurs gets displayed in the LCD display. Once the vibration occurs, the message gets transmitted from the owner's number to the number which we have given, which is nothing but the hospital number. See, let's wait for a moment to see the value. To see by using the GSM, the message gets transmitted. Yeah, and now you could see that the value gets transmitted, and this is what the message we are receiving, and this is the longitude and latitude position of the accident spot, and this longitude and latitude values being detected by using the GPS system, and the process gets proceeded until the ambulance gets reached. After receiving the signal from the receiver part, the ambulance gets arrived to the accident spot. Now let's see about the ambulance unit. In ambulance unit, we have 3 sensor and 1 signal conditioning unit, and this keypad, an RF transmitter, an encoder, and a microcontroller. we can see the operation of our sensor. We have heartbeat sensor, respiration sensor, and temperature sensor. In heartbeat sensor, we have two units, IR LED and photodiode. When we place the finger of the when we place the patient finger near the IR LED, it will transmit IR light. This light will be reflected back, and the reflected light is sensed by the photodiode. When the patients, whenever the heart beats, the amount of light is sensed by the photodiode and is given to the microcontroller. From that to the LCD, the LCD will display the value of the heartbeat. And then the next one. This is the range of heartbeat, and next we are going to see about respiration sensor. We will place the sensor near the nose of This is a respiration sensor, and this sensor, for this sensor we are using thermistor. If we place the sensor near the nose of the patient, when at the time of his breath, when he inhale, the sensor gets cool and heat, and this value is also given to the LCD through microcontroller. This is the value of his breath. See here, the value is displayed in the LCD. And the next one is temperature sensor. For this sensor also we have used thermistor. This sensor is used to measure the temperature of the patient's body. We will connect the sensor to the patient's body, and the value of his body temperature will be displayed. We have directly connected the sensor to the microcontroller, and for heartbeat and respiration we have used a signal conditioning unit. This has been interfaced to the microcontroller, and we have a RF transmitter in the ambulance unit. This transmitter has been used to transmit RF signal, and this signal is received by the receiver in the traffic light. And we have used a keypad. This keypad is to change the traffic signal. If whenever we are going to the hospital, if our path is in a red light, to shift it to green, we have used this keypad. Even point to note that even we can transmit the heartbeat, respiratory, and the temperature value to the number which we have given in the database of the controller. So you could see the heartbeat, respiratory, and temperature value as shown in the LCD display. Now we can transmit this message to the hospital by using the GSM technique. See, after detecting the values, you could see the TX value, which is the transmission message. After getting transmitted, it just shows you some value in the receiver part. You can see now, this is what the receiver message is. Now we are receiving the respiratory, temperature, and the heartbeat value in the ambulance. So by using this, we could able to detect the health condition of the patients while traveling the path. To avoid the time lag, which has been while traveling, to avoid the time lag, we are using a keypad system in the ambulance for avoiding any kind of traffic in the path what we are moving on to. We have two modes, normal and ambulance mode. So we are just tuning ourselves to the ambulance mode for transmitting the RF signal. Now let's see about the traffic light control system. This is the operation of normal mode. In normal mode, the signal will change from green to yellow and yellow to red. In ambulance mode, the operation will be changed. If we press R1 in the keypad, road R1 will change to green. If it is in red light, if we press R1 road, R1 will be green light. Then we press R2 road, R2 will be green light. Then R3 road, R3 will be green light. If we press both R3 and R4, it will be changed to normal mode when the ambulance left the traffic junction. And this is what the traffic light controlling part is all about. And we have seen the normal mode function and ambulance mode function. And we have given delay in form of yellow light for any kind of a delay delay which is happening while traveling. By 4 rows, it controls everything. So if we implement this technique in future, we could able to avoid the accidents, and even if the accident occurs, we could able to save the life of the person